What is a preventive maintenance audit? An audit of your preventive maintenance schedule is used to determine if you're doing the right maintenance activities, at the right time, and in the right way. Here's what that means for you and your team. Number 1, the right maintenance activities. Is the work your team is doing making a positive impact on the availability and performance of equipment, as well as the health and safety of the facility? Number 2, at the right time. Are you doing maintenance work at the right frequencies to catch and prevent failure while avoiding unnecessary tasks and costs? Number 3, in the right way. Are your work orders planned, scheduled, and completed in a way that reduces short and long-term risk to the asset while maximizing every hour and dollar spent? A preventive maintenance audit will help you answer these questions. It'll also allow you to make the necessary adjustments to your maintenance schedule so you can build a world-class equipment maintenance program.